Hello everybody, and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. I'm recording this Monday, February 27th at about 11:30 in the morning. February 27th. What winter? No, we're having spring storms again in winter, which, isn't completely out of the ordinary. We do get quite a bit of severe weather, especially in the late winter, but we just haven't had winter. We do have a significant storm system that we're going to have to deal with, and I just want to make sure that you know that while this situation could turn severe, there are still some uncertainties, definitely some uncertainties as to exactly how everything is going to play out. The crucial thing to watch Tuesday especially, how much heating we get during the day. Some of the models are forecasting temperatures well into the 80s, low to mid 80s. If that happens, look out in the warm sector because thunderstorms could pop up. But we do have a slight to enhanced risk for severe weather, and then the front comes in Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning, and that will bring in some showers and even some thunderstorms. So I got a lot that I want to show you right now, and we're going to start off with 4 different graphics here before I go to simulated radar, just to kind of highlight and illustrate this situation that we have unfolding. First of all, there is a chance tonight, Monday night, late Monday afternoon into the night, for 1 or 2 thunderstorms even, and they could be strong because we have a warm front crossing the state. And then we have the main severe threat coming in late Tuesday into early Wednesday, and we'll keep an eye on that record high temperature on Tuesday. It's 84 degrees set back in 1980. We'll probably fall just short of that, but it's something to watch. There is the risk for severe weather. Now, even today on Monday, there's a risk here across far southwest Arkansas, but the main risk is coming in Tuesday afternoon and evening and into early Wednesday morning. As the front comes in, there will be showers and thunderstorms that develop along the front, but we'll have to watch for anything out ahead of it that develops in the warm sector. Whenever you're east of that frontal boundary and south of the warm front, you're in that warm sector. So the main threat will be wind and hail, and you can't even rule out tornadoes, especially in this enhanced risk area. There is that threat if storms do get going. The other thing about this is that it's coming in at night when you are sleeping. Some of this will, especially with the front. So you must have a way to receive warnings. And there are 2 ways that I highly recommend. Weather Call 7, you can sign up for that on our website, ktv.com. Click on Weather Call, and you sign up, and it takes an effect immediately from the comfort of your own home. From the comfort of your own home, you can sign up for that, and it takes effect immediately, specific to your zip code. Or you can get a NOAA weather radio. Those are also fantastic. All right, so we're going to look at futurecasts and these temperatures. This is according to the RPM model, and it keeps temperatures from what some other models show in the 80s. It keeps them in the 70s, still plenty warm, 60s north. Now, just to show you, there's the potential for this to be even higher than that. So we're in the warm sector. Then you can obviously see the front coming in 6:30 on Wednesday morning, 46 in Fayetteville to 70 out ahead of the front in Monticello. Then it sweeps across the state, and by noon, that severe weather threat is over on Wednesday. So what are the impacts and how will this affect you? Well, where there's a thunderstorm, again, if thunderstorms do develop and you're in one of those thunderstorms, you'll have a medium threat for hail, a medium threat for wind, and we're talking about severe hail, severe wind. Hail would be the medium risk. They're 1 inch in diameter or greater, winds 58 miles per hour or greater. And then, again, if you get a thunderstorm, there will be a risk for a tornado. It's a low-end risk, but it is there. So we want to definitely keep an eye on that. Wow, that's a blank screen. No, it's not. All right, this is going to be simulated radar that I want to show you from weatherbell.com. This is a 3-kilometer wharf, NAM wharf, and warm front coming up. Let's see if we get tonight. Remember I said with the warm front? So this is at 11 o'clock, and then at midnight, you see these thunderstorms developing. I would suspect some small hail would be possible if these were to develop tonight. They quickly move towards the northeast. We get a break. If we get clearing tomorrow, not good. This is Tuesday afternoon right there. That's at noon. And this is the time period that we're going to be watching. We're going to see, this is shortly after sunset. We're going to see if anything can get going here in the warm sector. And indeed, it does show a couple thunderstorms. There's the front right there. This is at midnight. There's the front. We'll see if anything gets developing here. And you can't take this literally and say, okay, there's going to be a thunderstorm right here. What the model is telling us is that the cap in the atmosphere will break and will allow a thunderstorm or two to develop ahead of the frontal boundary. And then, you can't look at this and say, okay, there's going to be a thunderstorm right here in western White County near Romance. No, you can't say that. But I would look in this general area for something to develop, a strong thunderstorm or two. This is what I'm talking about with the frontal boundary coming across. That comes across. Showers and thunderstorms with that. And then the severe threat's over early Wednesday morning. So yes, there are definitely some uncertainties as to exactly how all this unfolds. But just to summarize, late today and tonight, there could be a thunderstorm with the warm front. Then we'll have to see if anything gets going in the warm sector late Tuesday into Tuesday night. And with the actual cold front, something linear like a squall line or a line of showers and thunderstorms would come across with that. And that'd be very late Tuesday night, more likely Wednesday morning. So sign up for Weather Call 7, get a NOAA weather radio, whatever it is, so you can get warnings. This is going to be a typical, nothing out of the ordinary. This is what we get in the springtime here in Arkansas. There are just some uncertainties as to how this unfolds and how much thunderstorm development we actually get. So it's Monday, things change, and we'll keep you updated on Channel 7, KTV.com, and right here on the Arkansas Weather Blog. Have a great one, everybody.